Hey guys, welcome back to Ottoex, a channel on YouTube where we feature some really unique vehicles from all around the world. Today in front of me is a 2001 Toyota Crown Estate Athlete 4. That means this is the inline 6 2.5 liter gas engine powered wagon with an all-time four-wheel drive system. These were a rare option and a really cool wagon. It's got a ton of space, seats 5, finished in its original Toyota silver. We've got aftermarket alloy, Japanese alloy rims. So in the video, we're gonna walk around the outside, the inside, and we'll take it for a drive. This is a very plush, quiet wagon, essentially the wagon version of the blue Crown sedan we sold a couple months back. With only 63,000 miles, it has so much life left, and this was preserved really well. Clearly garage kept. We've got the factory front fender marker lights, sunroof, a rare spec of a Toyota Crown. So I'll walk around some of the exterior bits and pieces. You can see these roof rails have no fading on them. All of the trim is really well preserved. There's no sun damage. The paint, the clear coat is all in great shape. Some imperfections. There is a little nick here that appears to have been touched up. What else can I go through? A little bit of a chip here in the plastic bumper cover. That's really about it. Maybe a slight crease there, if you can even see that. Otherwise, presents really, really well for its age. Again, it's a 2001 with about 64,000 miles on it. We've got markers at all four corners, kind of like sonar markers to let you know if you're getting close to any objects. This front crown grille, really cool, really in really great shape, that crown logo, and then you've got this athlete, which is deliberately presented at kind of an angle, denoting maybe a sportier motive there from the sales team at Toyota. All right, let's take a look inside. It's got really heavy, really substantial doors. You hear this closing and opening. These Crowns are really set apart. They were a flagship vehicle from Toyota and still are. Paired alongside with the LS400 here. You've got a really nice plush door card, big thick pull, power controls, locks, and windows. A big map pocket that kind of pops out. Speaker built in, and really nice plush material, which is in great shape in kind of this gray wood color, and a service sticker. Looking inside, we've got these Crown thresholds and a really clean seat and upholstery. Underneath here, we've got the original floor mats, which are also in great shape. Everything about this car is clean and tidy. The steering wheel even presents like new. The leather wrapped portion is all really good. No scuffing, peeling, scratching, or anything like that. Feels really good. Even this center console area where you change your shift points for your automatic transmission. This is a cold weather spec, meaning we've got heated mirrors, you've got a snow mode there, and of course the full-time four-wheel drive system. Take a look in the back. A really spacious back seat. Again, really tidy door cards. This is all in really good shape. Everything is shiny and very much like new. Floor mats are a really cool pattern. And these seats, which are kind of like a velour cloth, super plush and soft and comfortable. We've got a fold down center armrest with cup holders there. And of course your customary ashtray, although this has never been smoked in. Rear map seat back pockets. Headliner is really clean, no issues up there. We've got a nice sunroof up ahead, which works great. Take a look in the trunk. All right, really big trunk, and I'm going to show you some of these compartments. You've got your main one, which then you have, see if I can do this. I'm going to have to put this bag down. You got under here, wrench, various storage compartments. It smells great in here. It smells kind of new, premium new, if I were to describe it. This pops up, and we've got a storage compartment with a road triangle and your tools. We've also got below here is your spare, and over here is another storage compartment. I'm not sure how exciting this is to see, but we do have people who watch these videos and buy the cars, so I'm gonna go show all the details. You guys can always skip ahead. You might be wondering what this is. This is kind of a cargo separator. So this pulls out like that, and it mounts up there into that portion of the headliner. And this also pulls all the way across like that. This one latches onto that, so you have a full kind of a cargo separator, cargo net separator, which works in the back position here. You mount it up there and there. However, if you have this row folded down for a full flat cargo space, you then have further mounting points up there and up there right in front of those map lights. Really cool. I guess if you got dogs or things that you just don't want getting into the passenger area, that's what that net does. Thoughtful, useful, I like it. Kind of a take on the Mercedes estate wagons too. I know they did a similar thing. All right, so y'all slide into the back seat here, show the leg room, plenty of leg room, really. I'm super comfortable at about 6 foot, no problems here. Sorry, we've got a lot of sunlight coming in, so try to show you guys without too much glare. And then we've got all of our controls up here. This center armrest is in really good shape, and as is the steering wheel, and you've got really no signs of wear or tear at all in here. Even on this door card, you'll see there is really nothing wrong. These lights work great. And again, that's where you clip in your cargo net. You can close them too, so they're either exposed or not exposed. And you've got your light there. A nice big pull handle here, and here, and here. Okay, let's go up front, show you a bit more of the controls. No rust or any issues with this one. It is great. We're very picky with our inventory, as always. Tape deck CD player with a nice cover that has a soft, semi-soft opening. Floor shift. and HVAC controls. All of that works great. This controls your dimming for your backlight on your cluster, and your mirror controls, heater mirror control as well. Horn. Center console, let's lift this up, take a look. Top level, bottom level, and a felt covered coin tray. Another cubby here, and ashtray 12 volt. Big glove box. Big mirror here with a built-in integrated aftermarket backup camera, which works great. Here's your sunroof, no issues there, no leaking, no nothing at all. And that works just fine too, tilt and slide power. Light comes on when you open it. Same thing for the passenger side. Ooh, sorry. All right, well, that kind of has summed up our exterior tour and interior tour. So I think it's time to take this beautiful 2001 Toyota Crown for a drive. So let's do that. Oh, seat has lumbar power adjust and then tilt, front tilt and back tilt, so you can raise it and lower it. And of course, seat back adjustment and a manual slide. And there's your sonar. You can see here, you can turn that on. All right. One dash light indicating a bad rear brake bulb. So we haven't swapped that out yet, but we should get to it. Just disclosing that it has not been done yet. Alrighty, let's roll down these windows. We've got an auto down driver window. Put on a seatbelt here. You can see your backup camera there. So she runs all the time, basically like a digital rear view. Radio works great. All right, let's take it for a cruise. This is a plush, comfortable, premium cruising four-wheel drive wagon from Toyota. I really like these Crowns. They feel like a very premium product. Basically a Lexus version. Although there are a lot of premium Toyota products that we never got here in North America. Power is really nice. These 1JZs are quite nice and torquey at the low end, so it just delivers a really comfortable, powerful, engaging driving experience. And the suspension is nice and boat-like. It soaks things up, but it doesn't feel too plush. You still feel a little bit of sportiness, which is nice. It handles nice and tight. Close the window, see how quiet it is. Super quiet, except for that car. Moves quite well up this hill. no issues with power, comfort, steers nice and straight. Looks like we've got a little K truck, maybe a Town Ace truck in front of us. Very fitting. So as you can see, it cruises nice and straight down the road. Brakes feel great. Transmission is smooth. You can barely feel it shifting. Soaks up all the bumps. Very minimal road noise and NVH in this vehicle. It was engineered to be quiet and comfortable, and they hit the nail on the head with that. You can barely hear anything in here other than my rambling on. As I said with the other Crown, the other JZ S173 we sold, these are slotted similarly with like an LS400 or an LS430, but so much more useful with the four-wheel drive and the Wagon form factor. Really fun to drive. Feels commanding, feels confidence inspiring. This is a nice driving wagon. Great runaround, daily driver, family, hauler, whatever you want kind of vehicle. If you guys enjoyed watching this video on this 2001 Toyota Crown Estate Athlete 4 station wagon, then stay tuned for more. We've got a lot of cool other vehicles in the pipeline. We'll be listing them soon on YouTube and on our website, Ottoex.com. That's Ottoex.com. Find us there. Call us if you'd like, 503-893-8857. If you're interested in this wagon or anything else that we might have coming soon or on the shelf now. We specialize in clean, original vehicles from all around the world. We love Toyotas, so 90-95% of our cars are Toyota. That said, we do get interesting other things from time to time. This wagon is now listed for sale with us at our dealership in Portland, Oregon, so please check it out at Ottoex.com and stay tuned for more vehicles in the pipeline. We will catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.